Goutam Verma from
Gupta,
Scholar.
Scholars One Way. Today we are going to tell you about our science model, that is medical supplies drone delivery. This, with the help of drone, we can supply medical equipments anywhere on time, most in the accident places. And this time, when the spreading pandemic of coronavirus, we can easily supply medical
Give you
equipments.
some brief about of my model. Drones helps to provide more efficient healthcare to patients from a distance or while mobile. In the future, small indoor drones could deliver medicine to the bedside of a patient from the pharmacy, thus eliminating some human steps. This would lead to more rapid and less error-prone administration of medication. Nurses and pharmacists can work more efficiently to supply can be surmounted to the bedside instead of the time-consuming task or gathering necessary items. Drones could deliver medication and supply to patients being cared in a home instead of hospital-based setting. The future will be more outpatient, can even home-based care that used to be delivered in hospital. For many conditions, drone technology may make it easier and safe to provide this home-based care. When to provide round on a home patient, blood can be drawn and immediately sent by the drone to the lab to be tested. Medication, antibodies, and treatment ordered by the provider may be delivered to the home by drone. This technology may allow more people to nursing home to receive care at home for a long period of time, which could be increase the independence of the growing boomer population as they age. Drone could keep tabs on a patient living at a home by with dominating and deliver to the meal to someone who cannot prepare his own meal. I can envision drone automate external defibrillator (AED) that would fly to the patient in a public space to provide rapid defibrillation for vertical fibrillation. No longer would the person have obtained AEDs from a specific location and may be changed to find in a rapid fashion. Simply summon the APE is a push of a button or a smartphone app. Thank you. As you can see on the screen, it's a structure of our model in which we have used the motor generic A220KV1400 brushless motor. And we have put a box in which we put medicine and medical equipment. It's a layout we have tried to make this type of model.